This world is governed by colour. A single sphere of red can bring a ton of steel and glass and copper and rubber to a complete standstill. A green one brings them all back into motion. The only thing preventing the commotion of colliding cars, besides their drivers, are lines of white dividing down the middle of cracked black pepper roads. It's a lot of power for colour to hold. Even so, at times, colour may still go unnoticed. But if it were to go tomorrow, we'd surely notice. We miss how colour can speak a language of comfort, enveloping environments in the warmth of a mother's hug, dressing your attire in shades of scarlet, the intensity of a mother's love. Colour, it has the power to tinge our perceptions, to enliven our senses, to make us feel like we are protected. Funny, isn't it? How the world stands a little taller when dressed in a fresh coat of paint that fits like a new suit. This is the impact of renewal. Never underestimate your ability to shape a space, to place a smile back inside the eyes. Because decoration means celebration. So designers, decorators, makers, when that brush lays in your palm, know that it's more than just walls you're painting. In your arm, you craft the shape of this world we take in, molding our emotions through our senses, playing in the realms of the subconscious, injecting feeling into all that we see. Because colour is more than just hues and pigments. Colour sets the mood, makes all the difference. Colour marks our past, shades our present. But what will the future hold?